A passenger plane flying from Baku to Grozny has crashed in Kazakhstan with 72 people on board. The aircraft, operated by Azerbaijan Airlines, went down near the Kazakh city of Aktau. The plane carried 67 passengers and 5 crew members. Reports indicate there are survivors. Kazakhstan's Ministry of Emergency Situations confirmed that a fire broke out at the crash site. The plane was originally scheduled to land in Grozny but was redirected to Makhachkala and then to Aktau, according to the Grozny Airport press office. Russian media reported that the crashed plane was an Embraer E-190AR. Before the crash, the aircraft circled over Aktau Airport and requested an emergency landing. The Embraer EMB-190 of Azerbaijan Airlines, which was flying from Baku to Grozny, circled over Aktau Airport in Kazakhstan before falling. Previously, the crew requested an emergency landing and was waiting for permission, MASH noted. Ryadovka reported that the aircraft was circling in the sky, dumping fuel. According to sources, operational services were working on the spot. They were probably ready to receive the vessel, which, judging by the circles in the sky, was about to make an emergency landing, the journalists emphasized. Baza reports that the crashed plane flying from Baku to Grozny could have changed course due to the threat of a drone attack on Chechnya. According to preliminary data, Grozny was attacked by several UAVs, as a result of which a carpet plan was announced at the city's airport. FPV drones from the 58th Motorized Brigade are actively striking Russian positions in Krasny Khutor and Malinovka. The 58th Motorized Brigade, a unit of the Ukrainian ground forces, has been actively engaged in operations in the Belgorod region. Recent reports indicate that the brigade is continuing with the use of first-person view drones to strike Russian positions in Krasny Khutor and Malinovka within this area. The brigade, established in 2015 during the war in Donbass, is based in Konotop and has participated in various significant engagements throughout the ongoing conflict. The Belgorod region, located in western Russia near the border with Ukraine, has experienced increased military activity amid the ongoing conflict. The 58th Motorized Brigade's operations in this area are part of broader efforts to counter Russian advances and disrupt their military capabilities. The Belgorod region has recently experienced increased cross-border shelling and drone attacks, leading to civilian casualties and infrastructure damage. In response, local authorities have declared a state of emergency and initiated evacuations to ensure residents' safety. Belgorod region Walking Dead, Russia invades. He's been trying to put on a belt for half a day. I have to go on an assault with them tomorrow. I don't know.
It's been a year of fighting, damn it. And he's been working on the belt for half a day, can't even fasten it.
Here's the person we will find.
Hey, mind your business. Tomorrow I have to storm with him. I don't know. You're such a toothless goat. Glenn, are you ready? Yes, exactly.
Demon Torzog.
Stormtroopers, damn it. What the hell? Oh, yeah, what's up? Hi. Oh, fucking everything. Damn with the assault, damn it. Hey, Chess Knight. Hey, why are you so bent over, damn? Nothing bent me. What the hell unbent you, damn?
While lacking armored vehicles, Russia is preparing regular vehicles such as Lada, Niva, and Bukhanka with cope cages to take part in assaults. Russia preparing for new mechanized attacks. Facing significant losses of armored vehicles, Russian forces have increasingly resorted to using civilian vehicles, such as pickup trucks and vans, to transport troops and equipment in Ukraine. This adaptation aims to maintain mobility and logistical support despite equipment shortages. However, the use of unarmored civilian vehicles exposes Russian troops to greater risks from Ukrainian attacks, as these vehicles lack the protection of military-grade armor. In some instances, Russian soldiers have utilized civilian vehicles to avoid detection and targeted strikes by Ukrainian forces. Units of the 110th Mechanized Brigade repelled a Russian assault near the village of Novyi Komar in the Donetsk region. The Kortitsia Operational Strategic Group reported on this. The enemy used a column of armored vehicles, consisting of 3 tanks and infantry fighting vehicles with troops inside, to attack. The enemy used a column of armored vehicles, consisting of 3 tanks and infantry fighting vehicles with troops inside, to attack. The first infantry fighting vehicles were hit and stopped, and the rest of the troops scattered and sought cover in the fields and forests. Then, the brigade's external pilots began to work on the enemy tanks, which were left without cover and became easy targets. Thanks to the pilots' skill, the tanks were hit in vulnerable places to cause significant damage, and even if they had been evacuated, their recovery would have been impossible. Thus, the enemy lost 3 tanks and 1 infantry fighting vehicle in the failed assault, and personnel losses remain unknown. The village of Novyi Komar is located at Donetsk region, where defense forces are trying to gain an advantage over the enemy, as the Russians are not giving up their attempts to capture it. According to the Deep State resource, the village is captured by Russians by about 50%. The rest of the village is a gray area with a small section where the Ukrainian Defense Forces managed to liberate the territory and gain a foothold. The enemy is throwing significant forces at this area and suffering heavy losses, trying to outnumber the defense forces in terms of personnel and equipment. In addition, there are attempts to assault in the immediate vicinity of Velika Novosilka. Units of the Presidential Brigade stopped a Russian assault in the Vremivka area of the Donetsk region. Their advance took place near the village of Velika Novosilka, where Russians have recently been conducting assault operations, hoping to break through the Ukrainian defense. Shopping mall blew up in Vladikavkaz. Gas leak was first suspected, but then Russian Ministry of Defense claims that the fire at a shopping mall in Vladikavkaz this morning was not due to a gas explosion, as initially reported, but was caused by falling drone debris. CCTV footage from inside the store captures the moment of a powerful impact. The decision to shoot down the drone over a populated area is questionable. A fixed-wing robotic aircraft was shot down by Russian air defenses over the capital of North Ossetia, the head of the Southern Russian Republic, Sergei Menyailo, said on his Telegram account. Earlier in the day, the Russian military reported destroying 59 Ukrainian drones in Kiev's latest barrage against Russia. 26 were shot down over Bryansk region, which borders Ukraine. The report did not mention North Ossetia or any other Russian part in the Caucasus. The ministry has yet to comment on Menyailo's statement.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.